Timothy Thomas here. In this video, we're talking about residual income. People are looking to put money to work, and they're looking for great systems coming into the new year and what a year it's going to be. So we're excited. We're going to roll the intro, and then we're going to get back with you on the other side. Tim Thomas here. Going to like the video, hit that like button, hit the like button. I really would appreciate it. Help rank the video higher. We've got our hands on some amazing programs. And we want to focus on the upcoming few months, residual income. Residual income. We're going to be building out some residual programs. That's the way to go. Get it started and let it build over and over and over again. So we're excited about what we've got going on. We're going to give some income examples of what we feel that you can make. Of course, as an income disclaimer, we have to give the disclaimer. In life, nothing happens till you take action. You have to put it to work. These are real businesses that offer product, service, and value in the marketplace. So we're excited about the possibilities of what we can do with these programs. When you get an opportunity, check out the YouTube channel. We've got some amazing programs going on. And my focus is going to be people want to build retirement income. People want to build walk away from job income and big ticket. We're going to be focused on some big ticket systems that we've got. The Supreme Profit System, guys, we're working on something big behind the scenes. I can't talk about it right now in this video, but we got a relaunch of that program, and we're excited about what we've got our hands on. Of course, you know, we got the yellow postcard, but my main residual income programs for right this moment is going to be American Bill Money, sidehustleincome.net, and the new AI viral downline. Those are residual programs that we can build out to several $1,000s plus per month. And we want to invite you to come on the inside. If you don't want to trade, don't want to deal with Bitcoin, don't want to deal with cryptocurrencies, if you don't want to deal with Forex and all this other stuff, but you want simple systems that you can plug into, that you can mail a few postcards a month. We've got flyers. You can win. Sidehustleincome.net. I've got back into this thing, and we're very excited about what we've got going on. Greg Bethay is designing our Team Postcard. We've had several flyers provided by the company. So there's numerous ways that you can promote Side Hustle, and I tell you, we're excited about it. Again, and we're building American Bill Money right alongside of what we've got going on. So great things are happening. When you join Side Hustle, Jose's even talking about getting back in this thing. So we're excited about what we've got our hands on. This is one of the flyers that you get. Has a 24-hour call, and look what you can make per month. And it doesn't take a lot of people to make some great income with this opportunity. Pause the video. With 10 new members, $750 a month. 50 new members, $3,750. 100, you've got $7,500 per month income coming in. And folks, look at this, to be able to buy the car of your dreams, the home, vacations. And I tell you what, credit cards, debit cards are accepted. That's my information, 219. And we have beautiful flyers. That was provided by the company. Here's another one. Great, great, great flyer. You can call the owner of the program if you have any questions. We have a video that can play for you. Just very powerful. It'll lead you to there's a video that plays on the sidehustleincome.net video, and just very powerful things that we've got going on. Our team leader, Greg Bethay, is developing a postcard. This postcard has got me excited again. Folks, you're going to get access. He's working on this postcard here, and I want to update the video. I'll show you. He's even making this side, the front side of it, even better than what it is now. And this is going to be one side of the postcard, your personally sponsored members. Folks, this postcard is going to convert like fire. It's going to convert like crazy. Putting it in front of people. Are you picking up what I'm putting down on how powerful of an opportunity we've got our hands on? The wind is to our back, and we're going to approach the new year, and we're going to just market these businesses, folks, invite people to come in. And I tell you, there are people out there that got some money and they want to put it to work. They want to put some money to work into systems that offer integrity, value, in the marketplace. And if you can mail a side hustle postcard, folks, you can make $750 a month, and you can make $37.50 a month, $500 a month. We're gonna do our best to get there, and we'll see what happens. So we're excited about sidehustleincome.net. We even have a let me show you. We even have a flyer. There's a flyer, folks. If those of you flyer enthusiasts, if you want to mail the direct mail flyer, you can send it out, and it will resonate with people. People will get excited about it and begin to join the business. So we're excited about Side Hustle. We've got several flyers provided by the company and a postcard. We have our team postcard, our team flyer. Also, when you come over to sidehustleincome.com, everybody's going to get access to this video, and you can play that video. This video will play, and it will tell people about the business. There's no selling, telling, explaining on your part.
Let's face it, unemployment is a
So that's going to be a powerful video, and I'm not going to play it for the sake of the time for this video, but I may play it on another video. But I want to also impress upon you that when you come over here, you're going to have your sponsor's ID when joining. And you can click here to go ahead and get your PDF of your team postcard. You can put your name on it, your website address, your information, your return address, as you want it. Make sure you put your name and your email address here so that when our team leader sends out emails, you will be up to date to the latest information that's going on with sidehustleincome.net. We've got an opportunity, folks, to grow this business, and you're going to get access to, look at this. Did you see that order form? You can put your name, your shipping address when you order your postcards, your flyers, however you want to design that to you. You're going to mail it back to our team leader, Greg Bethay. Guys, I tell you what, it doesn't get any simpler. Can you mail a postcard? If you said yes, you can make money with this program. You're going to get access to leads every single month. Mountain Marketing. Our owner's going to send you leads, postcards, stickers every month to go on your postcards. And you're never left in the dark. You're going to get access to the Side Hustle Guru magazine. It's a part of your subscription. This is powerful times ahead. Again, are you picking up what I'm putting down? Folks, I tell you what, make a cognitive decision, an informed decision. 2 people and you're breaking even. 2 people is all you need. And if you can mail a few postcards, you can quickly get your 2 people, and your monthly membership is paid for just with 2 signups. Folks, that's my time for today. Click the link below to get started. Information below the video. Reach out to me if you have any questions. We'll see you at the top of success. And what a record-breaking year we're going to have here coming up. We're going to show people that you do not have to be a captive to what the economy is doing. You do not have to be bend to the will of the economy or whatever's going on. You can create your own economy, your own income, name your own raise, take a vacation when you want to take. This is income done right. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.